What are you looking at? A wonderful pie. And this is the ingredients. Sugar and flour mixed together. 5 cubes of butter. Watkins vanilla and water. Yeah, a Depression era water pie. I hope my crust does it well. Welcome back to A Country Boy Can Cook. We've got a special pie on recipe today. A Depression era 1920s water pie. Yeah, you won't believe what doesn't go in this and how it turns out. So let's get to it. It's a short recipe. It's a short list of things that go in. And so here you are. Let me move the camera around. You can see I've got a pie crust. I hope it's my handmade pie dough. I hope it does this pie justice. I rolled it out and put it in the pan and put it back in the fridge so it would be cool. Right here, there is 1 cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, White Lily. There's 5 cubes of butter, Watkins vanilla, and the star of the show of this water pie, 1 1/4 cups. And what you do, you just pour it. This is not pre-baked or blind baked, whatever you want to call it. There's no holes poked in the bottom. You just take your 1 1/2 cups. I know I said quarter, mixed up. 1 1/2 cups of water, and you just pour it in your pie shell. I know you're saying, "Oh, dude, you've been out to the woodshed sampling your nerve tonic." The next thing, your flour, sugar is all mixed together. I just took a fork and mixed it up. And do not mix this. I don't know if I can do it like this. You just sprinkle it in like this. Have to switch hands with you. And you do not mix this up. You just sprinkle it around until it's all in there. Like I say, this is a quick recipe. Take your cubes of butter. I've already got them cut. Place them on your, oh wait a minute, before I do that, I'm gonna put the vanilla in now. Hey, this is real cooking, boys and girls. You just want a little bit, maybe a part of a teaspoon, maybe a little bit more there. And you can also put pumpkin pie spice at this point. You could add cinnamon, but the first one I'll do for you, I want it just to be the regular recipe. Because see, I don't follow recipes very often. I just use them as a guideline, and this is what this is. But I'm not going to add any cinnamon to it. I've got my oven heated up at 375, and I'm going to go put it in the oven for 1 hour. Get it back up here so I can see. Got my oven preheated at 375 for 1 hour, and I'm going to put this in here and let her cook for 1 hour. At the end of that hour, I will take it out and cover the edge of the crust with some aluminum foil and bake it for 1 more hour. So total cooking time is 2 hours. We'll be back here in just a little bit. One thing about this recipe, and don't get hung up on the pie crust. I had some frozen. I rolled it out, let it sit there, put it in my pie tin, put it back in the refrigerator and let it relax. You can use pre-made dough, put it in your own pie tin, or you can buy the pie tin that's got the crust in. It doesn't matter. I believe you'll enjoy it either way. But sometimes you need simple things in life. So I'm retired, so I got time, so I use my own pie crust. Anyway, we'll bring you back here in 60 minutes. She's looking good at 45 minutes in. 1 hour in. I'm going to cover the crust, keep it from burning. I can do this without getting burnt myself. I just took an old throwaway pie pan and cut the bottom out of it. Yeah, old dude thinking outside the box. All right, let's check on this. It's 2 hours now. You can see it's kind of setting. Let's see if my homemade pie cover worked. Yes, it did. That burned, that's hot. All right, this oven's going off, and then it's going to let this set. I'm just going to let it cool down here. I don't want to move it, but you can definitely tell it's firmed up. All right, I believe it's loose, ready to come out. Using my old Depression era knife. Well, not really. It's my handmade knife I made in the early 60s. I needed one for a Boy Scout project, and I made this. I use it every day. So, make sure it's loose. You know, presentation is part of it. I believe it's going to come out just fine. I have no idea what this is going to taste like. I never talked to my grandmother about this. I've just heard some other people talking about it. So, let me get it on the plate here. How's that, boys and girls? Man, this is going to be good. I can't wait to get a bite of this. All right, let's get a bite of this. Crust is tender, but cooked. It's not soggy, it doesn't look like. All right, let's get this pie in this pie hole. Oh my gosh. Where have you been all my life, little pie? Boy, that's really good. Now to describe the taste. It's sweet for sure. It's like a custard, like a vanilla custard. It's really, really good. Let me take it to the next level. All right, now that I've had a bite of it, just regular, not juiced up in any way, let's try this. Yeah, a little whipped cream. Just a little. I don't know if it'll help it, hinder it. A little whipped cream on this beautiful pie. All right, let's try it with a little whipped cream. I got a feeling it's going to be really good. Well, whipped cream makes anything good. And it took it to the next level. But I'm telling you, this pie is good by itself. Here's how good it is. You can just take and pick it up. Boy, it's really good. Boys and girls, Not sure why people got away from this pie. I guess it just got lost through the history of cooking years. But I'm going to bring it back. It's just really good. Thanks for y'all joining me on this of foods back in the day. It's really good. Try it. Please share my videos. Leave me a comment and subscribe. And while you're subscribing, hit that notification button so you get all my videos. It don't cost a thing to do all that. It puts my videos up on the YouTube roster up higher. And so I do appreciate it. And I'm going to finish the rest of my pie. Y'all have a great day.